What am I signed? What am I signed? You're funny. So, what label am I signed to? Yes. Yes, she got it right. All right, so what happens is either you catch it, right? Or you catch it in your mouth and then you get to come on stage.
It's like an athletic competition. It's like a real athletic competition.
Ready?
Hand-eye coordination. Oh.
No, sorry.
You gotta
so
focus.
Close.
You gotta pick it up out
We're
of
so
the air.
close.
You don't have a camera. Do you want to use
All right, next question.
Yeah, thank you.
Did we introduce everybody today?
No, introduce the band.
Did we introduce the band? Who did we introduce? The dancers?
The DJ.
No, that's not important.
Amen.
Sorry, Ted. All right, so what is his name?
Julian.
No, but it kind of looks like Julian.
You look like a
It kinda does look like Keys.
No. Keys is a lot cooler. Jewel Keys. What? How? Because he's my dancer, and if you were a super fan, you would know.
Ow.
Hey, yeah, maybe I am. No one knows? All right. So, what's his name? No, it's not Alfredo. No, it's not. Yeah. This is Marvin. All right, so they all. All right. So what? Oh, how many times did I fail my driver's test?
20. Infinity.
What? No.
3.
No.
How about you've never taken
No, I didn't fail.
You should see this guy behind the wheel before you go out and make
No, you guys are all wrong. All right, so how many times did Kenny fail his driver's test? Why are you yelling it out? Then you just. All right.
This is an athletic competition as well as a test of knowledge.
Yes. 3? Yeah, she got it right. All right.
You failed it 3 times?
All right.
Jeez. I never failed mine.
That's a bad throw. You want me to get, all right, one more time. Oh, so close, but so far away.
Band-Aids on his fingers.
All right, next question. What's my brother's name? Little brother. Jackson, you got it right.
Give him a candy.
All right, you ready?
Way close.
It's your name too? How do you spell it? That's how my brother spells it. Jaxon.
That's a cool dude right there.
You're a cool kid. You ready?
Oh yeah, he's ready.
All right. No, that was bad. One more time. Ooh. Almost one more time. That was so bad. Ooh. One more time. Oh, so close.
One more time.
Fight.
6 more.
He faked it. No, that was good.
He wasn't Jackson.
All right. Another question.
Raise your hand.
What is? Did you just say David Cohen? Who's David?
Oh, favorite color. Close though.
No, that's such an easy question. What is the name of my backup singers?
Legacy.
She got it right. But you yelled it out, so I'm sorry. Raise your
She
hand.
doesn't get a Swedish fish.
Yes, you got it. Yeah, but you didn't raise your hand. You ready?
You gotta stick to the rules here. Otherwise it'll be complete chaos.
Oh, one more try.
You gotta get it back there. Oh, there she is.
Come on, all
We got
right.
an athlete in the house.
You need it. You can go get her. Come on.
She saw it. She She picked it up with her eyes and she went and
All
got
right,
it.
last